Beautiful day today, and I was thinking, when you call your security or gate contractor, what do they show up with? A little pickup truck? Not us. Accent Alarms, we show up ready to work. Let me give you a quick tour of my setup. Hey there, how are you today? If you're new to the channel, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. I have about 25 years experience designing, installing, and servicing quality, long-lasting automatic gate systems. By automatic gate system, I mean I work on gates, gate operators, cameras, access control, and wired and wireless connectivity. And I've recently added video production to the list of things I do. I'd love to get your feedback, good or bad, down in the comments section, and please take a second to click on that subscribe button. It really helps us out when you do. Keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there. There you go, you can see we show up ready to work. That's my Vito tool bags, Vito meter bag, Milwaukee pack out system, generator, cleaners. On that side I got my label maker. We got a bunch of cable, so we're ready to repair stuff if need be. Down on the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, we've got a high security gate motor, ladders, tool bag, long patch cable for testing, some miscellaneous stuff up here, my bandstand, my PVC melting blanket, assortment of tools. Come back this way, vacuum cleaner, you got to clean up after yourself. You got electrical supplies, EMT, and seal tight. We only use metal seal tight. Some guys will use the stuff without the metal. I don't believe in that. Some high security parts, limit switches, loop detectors, heater thermostats, emergency thermostat, contactor motor, reset button, couplers, directional control valves, control boards, touch display boards, power supplies, pretty much an entire complement of repair parts for high security. Up here we got a drawer of door contacts. See, we carry pretty much everything with us so we can repair. You never know what you're going to come up against. A bunch of miscellaneous cables and connectors. Whole drawer of Unistrut parts. Up in my conduit drawer, you can see I carry a whole drawer full of just miscellaneous chase nipples, 1/2 inch to 3/4, 1 inch to 3/4. You know, there's no sense making a run to Home Depot because you don't have one little part. We can pretty much convert to anything and then we're set to go. Looking inside this cabinet, oh, got a little bit of a weird glare, sorry about that. You can see we got a bunch of cable clamps, metal, plastic, you know, just a whole drawer full of parts up there. Electrical connectors. Various sizes, types. Got Hilti, Hit Z anchors. Look at that, you won't find other guys using stuff like this when they mount their gates. What you'll see those guys doing is using those red head drive-in anchors that pull up after a couple years. 1/4, 20, 3/8, 5/16, 1/2 inch. Swinging back to this side, we've got a drawer full of screws, bolts smaller than 1/4, some overflow network connectors, mostly Panduit type stuff. I got another one in the pack out. Up here you got my bag full of glow rods and long flexible drill bits, vacuum, heater. In the back's where I keep my overflow. I got buckets full of high security parts, electrical boxes, 3R boxes, bell boxes, hammer drill, bandsaw. Got a whole bucket full of overflow tools, network pieces, readers. My fluid rack, pulling gels, paints, air, PVC cement. Like I said, when we come, we're ready to work. Just take a quick look down the outside and up front. In here I've got some outlets so I can run power in or out of my trailer without having to leave the back doors open. That's handy if it gets too windy out. Take a look up here up front real quick. See, we got flex and seal tight and another roll there and bird spikes, and got my safety gear up there, my safety harness. Got a couple Duluth bags that I like to use when I climb ladders. Puts the tools in the front instead of the side. And again, overflow tools, readers, access control parts, overflow PVC parts, bandsaw. I think you get the idea. Hey there, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. Keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there.